Andrea Brillantes, A Journey from Insecurity to Inspiration. Andrea Brillantes, known for her captivating charm and talent, has proven that beauty can open doors to opportunities and even change lives. After a dynamic hip-hop performance on Asap Natin To on January 12, 2025, Andrea spoke about her latest achievement. Nakakagulat talaga, she shared. Tahimik lang kami sa bahay, nag-e-enjoy lang kami ng family ko habang patapos na ang taon. Hindi ko in-expect na magkakaroon pa ng ganitong blessing. Her immediate reaction was to ask her mother and grandmother how they felt about the honor. Mas excited pa sila kaysa sa akin, Andrea laughed. Sila talaga yung unang naisip ko. Sabi ko kay mama, anong pakiramdam? Ikaw ang naglabas ng most beautiful. Masaya sila para sa akin, at iyon ang pinaka-importante. Overcoming insecurities. For Andrea, the title was more than just an accolade, it was a testament to her journey of self-acceptance. She revealed that she struggled with bullying and self-doubt growing up. Dati, sobra akong nabubuli. Hindi ko talaga nakita ang sarili ko na maganda, she admitted. Lagi akong insecure. Parang ang dami kong hinanap sa sarili ko na kulang. It was only as she matured that Andrea began to embrace her unique beauty. This recognition, she said, was a moment of validation and gratitude. Ang una kong sinabi kay Lord ay, "Thank you, Lord." Kasi kahit may mga challenges sa buhay, binibigyan niya ako ng reason para maging thankful. Beauty as a blessing. Andrea reflected on how her appearance has become a way for her to provide for her family. Kung hindi dahil sa mukha kong ito, hindi ko maibibigay ang mga pangangailangan ng pamilya ko, she shared. Siguro binigay ito sa akin ni Lord para gamitin sa tamang paraan. Beyond the physical, Andrea's story is one of resilience, gratitude, and giving back. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan ko, natutunan kong hanapin ang mga bagay na dapat ipagpasalamat. Hindi laging madali, pero lagi kong iniisip na may dahilan ang lahat. Joining Andrea on the prestigious list were fellow Filipinas, including Janine Gutierrez, Liza Soberano, Bel Mariano, Ivana Alawi, Bailey Dangka of K-pop girl group Uni, and Aya Arcata of P-pop group Bunny. Andrea's recognition isn't just about beauty. It's a celebration of strength, humility, and the ability to inspire others through her journey. At just 7 years old, Andrea Brillantes began showcasing her talent by appearing in various television commercials. She made her television debut in 2010 on the children's comedy show Goan, Bulilit. That same year, she took on a supporting role in the series Precious Hearts Romances Presents Alina. By 2012, Andrea was gaining recognition for portraying younger versions of lead characters in several popular television series. She played young Jackie in Budoy, originally portrayed by Jessie Menjola, young Veronica in Kahit Puso'y Masugatan, played by Andy Eigenman, and young Kellen in Ina, Kapatid, Anak, played by Kim Chu. Andrea's performance as princess in the fantasy series E-Boy was particularly praised, and she continued to build her career with appearances in well-loved anthologies such as Once Upon a Time and Maalaala Mo Kaya. In 2013, she expanded her portfolio with roles in Bukas na Lang Kita Mamahalin and Piddles Wonderland. However, her big break came when she starred in her first lead role as Annalisa in the remake of the classic television series of the same name. Annalisa became a massive success, dominating its time slot and achieving its highest national TV rating of 27.8% on February 12, 2013. Andrea's powerful performance in the series earned her the Best Child Performer Award at the 27th PMPC Star Awards for Television, L.